How to hide followers list on Instagram. So all you have to do is to just launch your Instagram application and make sure that this one is up to date. Now, to hide your followers list on Instagram, what you want to do here is to simply go first to your profile by tapping your picture at the bottom right corner. If you set your account into public, anyone who will visit your profile will probably see your followers list here. Now, if you want to hide your followers list to this specific persons or people, what you want to do is to simply go back to your profile and tap these three lines at the top right corner. Once you tap this one, you have to look for settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down till you see this account privacy here. And then what you want to do is to simply turn this one on. Now Instagram will ask you again, switch your private account. So as you can see here, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. So tap switch to private. Okay, and then as you can see here, when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos and hashtag and location pages and your followers and following list. Okay, so anyone who will visit your profile will no longer see your followers list if you set your account into private. So the question is, how are you going to hide your followers list from your followers or friends? So all you have to do is to simply tap your followers here and then tap the name of the specific Instagram user or follower or friend, and then kindly remove him or her as your follower. That is the only way to hide your followers list to this person. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.